stay underwater 2 hours. They're the athletes in this species. Males feed on the continental shelf up to the Aleutians. It's not 5,000 feet deep there, so they don't have any way of going that deep anyway. And their food sources are in shallower water, but they're richer as a photosynthesis. So basically, they need the richer diet because a given male will put 1,200 pounds on in the same time that a female will put 500 on. So the female will go for a less rich diet, but actually it's a safer diet. A female lives to be in excess of 20 years old. Males do not live past 12, and predation is the main reason. Their diet puts them exactly in the same path as their two major predators, orcas and great whites. So they get picked off. Only one male pup born in 7 will reach sexual maturity. Every time you see elephants on the beach, for the reason that they're up. So these seals it's never going to be empty because there's more coming in all the time. We see